Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So for today's video, I will show you on how to make a pictorial circuit diagram from the tripole light emitting diode flasher using the thinker card. So after I will make it, I will explain to you later on how does what it was work. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see here in my account in thinker card, so the first stage that we're going to apply is, that we're going to do rather, is we have to see first this our schematic diagram. So as you can see, we will be using IC NA555, so and also LED. So we will place that one. First, we're going to use a breadboard. So let's place that one using a 555 IC. So I'm going to be placing one for. I will place all first the component that we'll be using this for this video. So we need LED. So for solid wire, we don't have to be worried for that because we are going to drag all over to this side that we can create a solid wire to connect the components or the materials. So we need also okay. So as you can see here in this picture schematic diagram, so I'll be using a three resistor, one, two, three. So three resistor. So three resistors with different columns. So we're going to place that one. So we're going to, okay, so that one. So this is a capacitor. So we're going to insert that one in this side. So here it is. So we'll first all place all the materials that we'll use in this video, for this tutorial. So rather, so okay. So polarized capacitor. This one is a polarized capacitor. Polarized capacitor. So once it was pop up, so I'll place that one here. Only one polarized capacitor that we will be using. So from there, so we have a resistor there. So we need a potentiometer, a 100 kilo ohms potentiometer. Okay, it has. Also for that, we already have a resistor, so we need a battery for our battery. So we need a battery, a 6 volt battery. So we're going to drag that one. So we need for this a battery. It's only 1.5 volts. So we need to make 6 volts. So we're going to count this one battery into 4. And the mouse is not working very well. So for that one, for 1.5 volts battery is 4 batteries is equals to 6 volts. So time to change all this one into for this capacitor, we need to change that one into 0.01. So change that one to 0.01. So change the one to N to UF. So that one LED. So for this one, we'll change that one into 4.7 kilo ohms. So this one is right. So that one. So another one is, so it's already 1 kilo ohms. So another one is the IC, and another one is the polarized capacitor. So we'll have to change that one to 10 capacitance, and also for the voltage is also 10. So we're going to place the one. So another one is the polarized potentiometer rather. Potentiometer, so we have to change this one into 100 kilo ohms. So I think we already have all of this. So we're going to deploy all of this one to the place it one rather to the breadboard. So first in my own technique, I'm going to make a solid wire here to connect this positive solid wire into the positive um, down to the positive of this breadboard here. So connect that one. This is only for my own technique and starting the activity, since mostly I forgot this one, so I will place that one here. So negative is also here, negative, so just make sure that this one side here is connected to this one positive side here is also connected to this positive over down there. So we're going to connect that one here. Okay, oh, let's change this one. We have to make it one to this positive side. Color red is the positive on our color brown here is the negative. So we're going to place that one here. I'll have to check first my microphone if it is fixed. Okay, my microphone is working. So we already connect that one. So we have to deploy all of these simple materials here. So first I'm going to place first that one. So my own, I'm placing that one side here. As you can see here, from the pin tree to the LED. So I'm going to place that one LED here, and also this 1 kilo ohms resistor. I have to turn this one. So okay, microphone. Set it. Okay. I'm dragging. Oops. Okay, so we then move nothing. So from that one side, you have to connect that one here, and also this one, this positive side of LED. We're going to connect that one into the pin tree. So here is our pin tree. Let's check if I am right. Sometimes okay, no. So here pin tree LED. So another one is the resistor, 1 kilo ohms resistor. So already connected. So it's negative on side. So another one is the I think okay, it's the capacitor here. So here is our capacitor. So we need to connect that. Oops, okay, so that one. So connected to one to our capacitor. So from this side, we will connect this one into this one side. Let's check. Oops, I'm loading. So okay, that one. So for this one side, we will connect this one into the ground. Today, oh, my mouse is not working really well. Oh yeah, my mouse. Yes, connect. Oh, okay, let's connect again. It's hard, it's confused when you use low quality. Another one. Okay, successful. So from that side, okay, so we're going to next of our so as you can see clear over that area, we need the ground of here. One is our ground. We have to connect that one to the negative of the polarized. Okay, so we need to deploy this polarized capacitor. So in my case, I'm going to put this one first here. And that one here. Oh, I moved something. Okay, sorry for that. So we need to place the negative. This one negative is we're going to connect that one to this ground. That one, we're going to connect that one here. Okay, let's check. So here we have to connect our positive one into the pin 2 and pin 6. We didn't have to worry about it. We have to connect that one. That's our pin 2. Yeah, that's our pin 2. And we have to connect. Oops. So we have to connect that one into the pin 6. So I think it's a little bit confusing if we remove that one here. Okay, so here we have to connect to this pin 6. Okay, we can hear our pin 6 to the pin 2. So from here we have to connect this one here, this one here. As you can see, so here from pin 6 and 2 into the capacitor, 1 kilo ohms capacitor here, that one. So here to kilo ohms one. So potentiometer to the 100 key potentiometer. From the resistor to the potentiometer, we need to place first this one to this pin 7. So from pin 7 you have to place that one here. Let's just have to turn that one. Okay, oops, I moved something. Yeah, let's just first back. My laptop is now starting to loading. Okay, so back to normal. So going back, so from pin 7, as you can see, from pin 7 to the resistor. So our resistor 4-point key resistor. Connect that one. So from there we have to connect this 8 and 4 from pin 8 and 4. We have to connect that one into the resistor. So here's our pin 8. So to see it clear, I'll be using this kind of technique. Okay, so done. So for our pin 8 done, so we're going to next is the pin 4. So our pin 4 here, here's our pin 4. It's on this one. Pin 4. Okay, I'll place that one here to the pin 8. So we are now connected to that one side. So we need to check if we don't have a problem. If you see problem, you have to change it. Okay, so let's get started. So from here, pin 3 connected to our positive LED, from LED to the resistor. Here, resistor. From resistor, we have to the capacitor. So capacitor connect to the pin 5 to pin 5 the IC, and here we are connecting here to the ground capacitor, ground IC. Then from here ground we have to connect that one into this capacitor, polarized capacitor rather. So our polarized capacitor is 10 volts. So 10. Why I can click this? So let's move. So that's one. So our positive polarized capacitive here connect to the pin 2 and pin 6. So done. Not clearly see, but there's a connection here. We will so you will see. Okay, so that you will notice that there is we're connecting that one there pin 6 because it was hiding, so you can see it. So I just put that one in the upper side. So that one, so 1 kilo ohms to the 100 kilo ohms potentiometer. So here, connect there, from the terminal 2 of the potentiometer. This one side in the middle is a wire wiper, and this one is our terminal 1. From terminal 1 to the pin 7. Pin 7, our pin 7 to the resistor here. So connected to the resistor, so our 8 and 4. So here is our pin 4 connecting it to this one side of the resistor. From this other one side here, as you can see, there is another pin 4. So this pin 4, that's one, connect that one to this pin 8. So this pin 8 side. So I think we don't have a problem yet. So let's try to simulate if we run really well this project. So let's check first if we don't have problems. The key. So that one key, answer 1 key, 10 key ohms. Okay, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3. Okay, as you can see, it was blinking or flashing. If you can see clear that one. So as we can see, there's no anything problem with our pictorial circuit diagram. So short idea of IC was very popular. As you can see, that one is very popular. So widely popular because it can be used widely for timing tasks for circuits, just like that. It was flashing. So it was pretty simple, pretty good to use for all this. It's more widely used for this kind of project. So that one. So we are done making the Travel 5 or the 555 or the IC LED flasher. So I guess that's all for this video. So if you find this video is very helpful for you, you can like this video, and also you can subscribe to this channel and click the ring bell so that you'll be notified for the new upload videos or updates with this channel. So again, thank you for watching, and God bless. Bye.